guys, I am at my apartment and I'm about to get started with one of our recipes that I've been wanting to make. It's called Hasselback Chicken. What a random thing, but one of my patients told me about it. They said it was really awesome, and so I wanted to make it and put it in our meal plan for the week. So I decided I'm gonna make like a tiny little vlog of my process of making the chicken and just try it out. I've been wanting to do more videos, and so I figured, you know what, it's time to get started. So I'm gonna start getting ready. Okay, let's do this. Okay, you guys, so I'm in my kitchen now and I'm about to start making the Hasselback chicken. This one, okay, so I was like reading on my phone from this blogger, like, what does Hasselback even mean? And so like what Hasselback, I guess, is just like the way that they cut potatoes whenever they do like those potatoes with like little slits in it, and it's like stuffed with stuff. Which sounds really good, but really high carb, so we can't really eat that. So that's kind of like what Hasselback is, I guess. And so anyway, so basically this chicken is gonna be cut up kind of like, let's see if I can show you on here, like this. Let's see if it's focusing, kind of. It's gonna be cut up like this, and then you just stuff it with stuff. And you bake it on 400 degrees for, let's see, for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna like get started and try it. And I'm not gonna lie, this is like the first time I've done like a cooking vlog, so, or a cooking video. So hopefully this turns out okay. If it's just crazy, hopefully I am brave and I don't just scratch it. But anyway, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, so you can't really see me, but I'm here. So let's get started. So I want to tell you the ingredients we have here. One, we have chicken, which I got this chicken from Trader Joe's. It's organic, free range, without antibiotics, which is awesome, and that's why I went to Trader Joe's. This is it. It's just 2 chicken breasts, and this was $5.87. So what I like about Trader Joe's is they give you this little bag every time you buy some sort of meat to protect it. I've got basil pesto. I've got, oh, that's my oven. It just went off because we're gonna bake at 400 degrees, so I needed to like preheat. I've got a tomato, I've got garlic, and I've got mozzarella cheese, and a big box of spinach. We're not gonna use the whole box, we're just gonna use a little bit of it. So also some olive oil and some salt, and I'm gonna grab some Italian seasoning. Okay, so when working with meat, you want to do that part last because it is got a lot of bacteria all over it, and you don't want to infect all the rest of this good stuff that you might reuse. So we're gonna work on this side of the table first. I already got my baking sheet ready, my baking sheet for the chicken, and so it's really easy and you don't have to like have a bunch of stuff going on here. But we basically have everything, so what we're gonna do is just start chopping. We're gonna chop, and then we're gonna chop the onion, not all of it, just some of it, which you guys will have the recipe. Some of the garlic, and then tomato, and these are the ingredients that are gonna go into this Hasselback chicken. Okay, so just like random thing. I like to watch movies on my phone whenever I'm making new recipes, and that's because I don't want to just sit here in silence. Sometimes I'll listen to music, but if it's at the end of the day, I tend to just like really want to watch TV because maybe I listen to music all day while doing documentation or something. So yeah, I'll watch a movie on my phone, and it's really relaxing. I also like to have a snack. So I'm having a snack while I do this, and a cup of tea, and my really cute mug. And I just tend to get like kind of hungry when I get home, and then if I'm making dinner, I want to have a snack. So let me tell you about my snack. My snack is a 1 bar, and it's just like a low carb protein bar, and today I was kind of just craving something sweet, so I decided to have just split up this bar into these tiny little pieces, and so yeah, I'm just enjoying this while I'm making my recipe here. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, so I've got my chicken, and all I'm gonna do is cut some slices into it just like this, just vertically, so that it gets those little, I guess, Hasselback little lines in it. And so it'll be just like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that now. Okay, you guys, so I finished making it, and this is what it looks like. And now it's going to go into the oven. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm excited to find out. So hopefully it's good. It looks awesome. The chicken's ready. So 40 minutes was the magic number, and it's ready, you guys. It looks awesome, doesn't it? Like, it's just so pretty. So I'm gonna pull it out and put it on a plate and try it out, and hopefully it's really good. Okay, you guys. Oh, let me put my camera up a little bit. It's like kinda, you can't really see my face. Tripods are cool. No, really, tripods are cool, because it's like I have someone helping me out here, but no one's here, it's just me. So, this is it, you guys. It turned out beautiful. I love it so much. Well, it looks beautiful. I haven't eaten it yet. And so I just wanted to show y'all. I'm about to start eating it and trying it out. So hopefully it's good. Hey, you guys. I'm over here editing my Hasselback Chicken video, which you guys are now at the end of watching. And I realized I didn't even say in my video recording that day when I was doing it, I realized that I didn't even say if I liked it. And the chicken turned out really good. I loved it, actually. It was delicious. So anyway, I just wanted to say hi and say thank you for watching this video, and also that hey, the chicken did turn out good and I really liked it. And also, you can get my recipe by going to my website. So my website's jewelgabeanutrition.com, and the recipe will be there, and you can get the recipe if you want to try making it. If you guys are on my email list, which you can always become a part of, you can get the recipe that way too. I put out a new recipe every week and a new meal plan every week, and so if you're looking for something like that, I'm your girl. I can totally give you that. So thank you so much for watching the video, and the Hasselback chicken was delicious and very filling. And that's all. Okay, bye. Have an awesome day.